Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How is everybody doing? Today I'll be cooking chicken pepper soup with white rice. I have my chicken here, well washed, hard chicken well washed. So here, my onion, my garlic, ginger, fresh pepper, salt, curry, thyme, and my seasoning cube, Maggi chicken. I will stir everything together. I will cover it, allow it to cook so it can bring out its own juice or water before I add another water on it to continue cooking. Okay guys, you can see now the color have changed and it will bring out its own water. So now I will add more water depending on the quantity of water I want. I will cover it, allow it to continue cooking. Guys, my meat is already soft, so I'll add more onion, crayfish, more pepper, habanero pepper. This is my blended ehuru. This is the seed. Can you see it? So this is the blended one. More salt, pepper soup spices. Then this is my scent leaf, dry scent leaf. This dry one, that's why I'm putting it on thyme. Cover, allow it to continue cooking. And here is my pot of rice cooking for the pepper soup. Guys, so I'll add half of tatashi into it just for the color because I'm using it to eat white rice. So I want to add half of this for the color. I will chop it and add it to the soup too. So I'm adding my roughly blended tatashi. Color have changed. Then I'll add my fresh parsley leaf just to give it that fresh look. My chicken pepper soup is ready now. Guys, our chicken pepper soup is ready. Come with your spoon. And this is my white rice I'll be eating it with. Thank you guys for watching to this extent. Thank you so much and bye.
Please always like, share, and comment.